guys, welcome to another episode of The Vaugh Show. Today is a very special episode. It is my 33rd birthday. Yes! Today I turned 33 years old, which is like, nothing really has changed, but I just wanted to make a quick video about my 33rd birthday, like what I'm looking forward to like in the future. So make sure you guys subscribe, share, and click the bell, please. But no, I'm just making a quick video. I'm just excited to be 33 years old. You know, you only turn 33 once, so I was like, well, let me just make a video to, you know, leave my footprint on my YouTube channel in regards to my 33rd birthday. But I'm grateful to be 33 years old. What I'm looking forward to turning 33, you know, I think as you get older, life changes. Your aspect and your ideas of how you view life changes. And I think at 33, I'm just looking for peace, a sense of happiness, balance, spending more quality time with family and friends, because I think that's so important in a time like this. During a pandemic, like family and friends are kind of like all that you have. And I think I'm really focusing on just trying to live in the present. Like all my life, I have struggled with living just in the present of my current life. Like I'm always futuristically thinking ahead and not living in the present. And as I get older, I realize like the present is exactly all that I have. I can no longer live in the past. I can't predict the future, and I can live in the future because technically I don't know when my life will end in the future. But living in the present is like so important to me now. And just kind of like working on being like a better human being. Like that has just been another focus of mine. Turning 33, like just being a genuinely good human being, not only to myself, but to like the people around me. Because sometimes I can be an awful person, but I'm working on that, y'all. I'm working on that. I'm working to be a better person. So that's my focus. I would also say turning 33, I'm looking to be a bit more balanced when it comes to like just all aspects, right? And even like my spirituality, like I think between like 32 to 33 now, I pray more and meditate more than I've ever did in my entire life. Maybe, so yeah, maybe my entire life. So like that has just been coming like full circle for me, just being like very focused on just like my inner peace and just who I am. Just surrounding myself like in good energy and good positivity. And what I'm looking forward in turning to 33 is my YouTube channel blowing up, going viral. So guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell, please. That's what I'm focusing on now, just making sure, you know, that my career, at some point I want to live overseas at some point in time. So hopefully you'll see videos of that coming soon. I have some small things potentially in the work, interviews, hopefully, please. I have that coming up hopefully, and then yeah, that's about it, y'all. Like I wasn't gonna keep y'all long. I was gonna give y'all like a full sermon like how my daddy do, but that is where I'm at now in my life, you guys. So guys, thank you for watching my episode today. So I got me a little cake for myself, because listen, all you got in this life, in this world of sin, is just, you know, like it's me and my girlfriend. It was me and Paul. That's all I got. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Listen, when you ain't got nobody, you gotta do it yourself. Happy birthday to me. 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 Happy birthday. It is my 33rd birthday, God. Thank you for letting me see another year. I truly appreciate it. And I'm going to make my wish. I'm gonna tell you guys what my wish actually is. I never tell what my wishes are, but I'm gonna tell you what my wishes are, so. It's out! I wish for love, peace, happiness, and prosperity in my life going forward. Alright guys, so I'm gonna chomp on this cake right quick. And I'm not supposed to be having this, don't tell my trainer. Jordan, I just only have one small piece. Just one small piece. I'm not gonna eat no more. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. Jordan, I'm gonna stop. It's my last piece, my last piece. You know my heck is so long. Y'all, Jordan is cutting my ass. Oh. Jordan cut my ass in that gym, y'all. Listen, y'all gonna see some more fitness video pop up. But right now, oh my God. I don't know, last time I had a piece of cake, working out with Jordan. Listen, when he see this video, he gonna flip. But that's fine, Jordan. I'll run an extra mile for you. But I'm eating this cake. All right, bye y'all.